Hello guys, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. In this video, we will learn 5-line speech on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Right? If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First point. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Raju. Once again, good morning, everyone. My name is Raju. Second point. Today, I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Once again, today I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Third point. He was the founder of the great Maratha Empire. Once again, he was the founder of the great Maratha Empire. Fourth point. His birthday is celebrated as Shiv Jayanti. Shiv Jayanti. Once again, his birthday is celebrated as Shiv Jayanti. Fifth point. He was born on 19th February 1630 and he died on 3rd April 1680. He is an ideal and inspiration for all of us. Thank you. Okay, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.